Welcome to Data Labs, the podcast where we at Biztory share bite-sized tips and insights on data and analytics. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're going to talk about data maturity and what lies at the core of it. More specifically, we'll talk about the three pillars that we believe to be the foundation of your data maturity level, and how you can work with these three pillars to level up your data maturity and accelerate the data journey of both your organization and its people. Let's get started. Going on a data journey is never easy. Talk to any business leader or executive and ask them how their business has changed over the past years. Chances are very likely that they'll mention their journey of digital transformation and their access to data. Today, organizations have more access to data than ever before, allowing them to make impactful business decisions based on facts rather than the gut feeling of managers and other decision makers. The challenge for most organizations today, however, is that accurate, impactful data is tricky to unlock. A combination of legacy systems and departmental data silos can create significant data inconsistencies, which in turn makes accurate business reporting and planning extremely difficult. At Biztory, we believe that organizations thrive when their people have quicker, easier access to accurate data from across your business. And the only way to get there is by improving the level of data maturity of your organization. Companies that succeed in this not only scale, but are able to rapidly adjust to the market and create new products. These data-driven organizations are also the ones that give their customers personalized experiences and make digital interactions more fulfilling for everyone, including employees. Achieving the highest level of analytics maturity is never a one-shot goal, however. It's a cyclical process in your data journey, focused on constantly moving the needle and investing in your biggest assets: people, the humans in your company, and their data. And that's where the three pillars of data maturity come into play. But first, let's quickly talk about what exactly we mean by data maturity. Simply put, data maturity is a measurement of how advanced your company's data analysis is. A high level of data maturity is the stage reached when data has woven its way deeply into the fabric of your organization, and when data has become incorporated in every decision that your organization makes. There are different ways and models that help you visualize the journey and steps you need to take to reach the next level of data maturity. The problem with those models, however, is that they often think of data maturity as an outcome of their data journey. Nothing more, nothing less. We don't. We view your data and the level of data maturity by which your people interact with that data as the driving force on which you make valuable decisions to build your business. Which is why we introduced something called the Data Maturity Flywheel. The Data Maturity Flywheel is Biztory's remixed version of data maturity models and aims to explain the momentum you gain when you build your business on data and align your entire organization around a data culture. So, when you look at data maturity as a flywheel, you make different decisions and adjust your entire data strategy. To explain what we mean by that, let's take a deeper look at how the flywheel actually works. At the core of the flywheel are the three core foundations and pillars of your data maturity level, being trust, training, and technology. Trust is all about the level of trust in your organization and how trustworthy or accurate the data is. Training looks at how well people are trained and empowered to work with data. Technology is about the tech stack you are using to build your flywheel. The most data-driven organizations will adjust their data strategies to address all three. The speed of your flywheel increases when you add force to areas that have the biggest impact. Forces are programs, tools, strategies, and other implementations you leverage to speed up your data maturity flywheel. For example, a data quality audit, a consultancy program, and investing in your team with tool-specific training are all forces you could apply. By focusing on how you can make the people in your company work better with data, the more likely they are to make business decisions informed by data and impactful analytics. Since you're using forces to make your flywheel spin harder, you want to make sure nothing is opposing it. That means eliminating hurdles from your data strategy. Hurdles are things that slow down your flywheel. Think of poor data quality, miscommunication between teams, a lack of understanding the data, and so on. You can remove these hurdles by mapping your current data processes and how your teams are structured. Why is data quality poor? Is your data centralized or in separate data silos? Are all your teams aligned on where this data is coming from? Do they understand what the data means? The more you increase speed and eliminate the hurdles, the faster you'll grow on your data journey, and the faster you'll achieve higher levels of data maturity. Now let's take a closer look at each pillar of that flywheel and your data maturity. With people and data at the center, there are 3 pillars around the core that are essential to making your data journey a success. The first one is trust. Trust is all about data and culture. An organization must not only be able to trust their data quality, management, and security, it's also very reliant on the culture of how the data is perceived, working on branding, creating internal communities, and creating a democracy data culture. Building trust in your data starts with your data strategy. A data strategy is your long-term guiding plan for how your organization will leverage data in support of making business decisions. It goes beyond simply the use of your data. It should cover processes on how to make your data trustworthy, how to train people so they can get answers from data easier and faster, and which technologies you'll use to support this. Building a vision for data within your organization provides you with a sense of direction. What is it you're looking to achieve? What challenges are you facing today? Think of it as the roadmap for the data journey of your organization and how to achieve your data goals using this flywheel methodology. Data governance is important here too, making sure people get the right data at their fingertips and know it is trustworthy. Also known as not having them ask for another Excel file to double-check on the results that are displayed in a dashboard. The second pillar of data maturity is training. Training puts the emphasis on elevating your team and making them as data-savvy as possible. You can have various training programs both on the technical as well as the functional side. You might have heard the phrase, data to the people, before, which is a good slogan if you're looking to build and drive a data culture in your organization. But that only works out well if the people in your organization are data literate enough to see, understand, and work with data in the right ways. And that's exactly where the third pillar of data maturity can bridge some gaps. The third pillar is technology. Technology focuses on every single piece of software that is used in your organization. It is all about leveraging the right tools to support your data processes. In today's world, data tools offer lots of self-service capabilities and innovative features, leveraging the power of Gen AI, making it significantly easier for your teams to get answers from data to make better business decisions. When you put these 3 pillars into motion with a tailored approach for your organization, we believe true analytics momentum is achieved that will help you reach higher levels of data maturity. It's a journey to get there. And like we said, going on a data journey is never easy, but it is the fun part of getting where you want to be. Adopting the data maturity flywheel isn't just about implementing a new tool or strategy. It's about transforming your organizational culture to be truly data-driven. This approach ensures sustained growth and agility in today's fast-paced business environment. Thank you for tuning into Data Labs. Ready to spin your data maturity flywheel? Visit Biztory's blog to learn more about this transformative approach. Join us next time as we dive deeper into the third pillar, technology, to explore what a right tech infrastructure looks like and how you can build one for your organization.